Well, here we are, Tewkesbury cricket ground, underwater once again. Second time in as many months. Well, as you can see, not far from the Abbey, totally flooded out here. You'd think this is a river, but it's not. It's actually the cricket ground here. Abbey just to the right there, and the practice nets are just over there. Well, one of many areas of flooding around the town, including the flatlands outside the town, around and opposite wheat pieces. Certain other areas outside the town are impassable. Some of the small villages around Deerhurst. Oh, there we are, totally flooded out here. Not sure how deep it is, but you can tell it's got to be a good few feet. Well, here we are, the flooded cricket ground here in Tewkesbury. Now, this is a bit of an indication of how high it is. It's got to be at least probably 2 feet high, 3 feet high there. So you see the seats there. Cricket ground here in Tewkesbury, not far from the Tewkesbury Abbey, just down there on the right. Access road probably flooded as well, certainly in the car park down there. Second time it's happened in the last couple of months. Right, here we are on the roads, impassable here in Tewkesbury, not far from the Crescent and the Tewkesbury Abbey. Oh, the Abbey's just along the road here. Cricket ground is completely saturated in water there. Must be at least 2 to 3 feet high there. Just about passable here on foot. Although, I haven't got Wellington boots on, but I'll have a go. Ducks having a fun there. Bit of fun there for the ducks, as you can see. What's normally part of the cricket ground here in Tewkesbury. Well, it's the second time this year this has happened. I'm sure the roads to the coach park and the other car park are also consumed here. Got the Abbey car park, which it looks like it's probably just about escaped. Just in front of me here. Tewkesbury Abbey there. Crescent being up there. And flooded road here. Down to the Vineyards, totally flooded again. Second time since November. Not sure what that noise is, but certainly damp around here. The birds are having a bit of fun. Well, Vineyards here in Tewkesbury. Quite saturated in water here, once again. We're not the whole of the vineyard, just part of it here. Over to the cricket ground there, with Tewkesbury Abbey behind me here. Car parks unusable over there. The access road is also consumed by water just there as well, just here in the foreground. Well, here we are in Tewkesbury, the High River here. This is the Mill Avon. That river there towards Flour Mill. Saturated Severn Ham here as well. Looking down river here. This is actually the river here, of course, but certainly the Ham is flooded out as well. Tewkesbury Ham there. in there which quite regularly gets flooded. Certainly it's been flooded twice in the last couple of months here. 3 rivers in Tewkesbury. There's the Mill Avon, the Avon and the Severn. Here we have further flooding here in Tewkesbury on the edge of the river here, the Mill Avon. Well, this is normally a road through here. See the Abbey Mill there and the sluice. Certainly river's overflowed there. Certainly wet underfoot here. Look across the Severn Ham there as well. Totally saturated in water there. This is about quite a wet Tewkesbury, where it's wet throughout different places. Sun setting here over Tewkesbury. That's wet just here. Certainly around the wheat pieces, vineyards, etc. The town of Tewkesbury.